Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel.
Hello everyone! Guys, so today dito kami Manila Zoo. And the first time namin punta sa Manila Zoo. Together with the kids.
So, I'm gonna show you again a new video about our Manila or Philippine trip. We recently hit up the Manila Zoo in Malate, Manila, together with my family. And let me tell you, it was a wild ride. But full disclosure, it was a holiday in the Philippines and that was a buzzing. A lot of people are there. The Manila Zoo is clean as a whistle and looking brand new. The zoo is open from 9 in the morning till 6 p.m. every day. So plan your day accordingly. Manila Zoo was first opened in July 1959. Manila Zoo is the first zoo in Asia. It was recently renovated its facilities, rehabilitated water sewerage, and new animals and birds. And the Manila Zoo finally reopened in November 2022. So it's not just animals, it's a slice of Manila's history. Now here's a trick to avoid the hustle and bustle. Go during weekdays or non-peak hours. Trust me, it's game changer. Okay, so for the entrance fee for non-Manila residents, for adults to children below 3 years old, it's 300 pesos, while students can get it for 200 pesos, and senior citizens cardholders and PWDs is 240 pesos. Children below 2 years old enter for free. While if you are Manileño or Manila residents, adults to children below 3 years old is 150 pesos, while students can get it for 100 pesos, and senior citizens, card holders, and PWDs is 120 pesos. Of course, don't forget to carry your IDs to avail this discount. You can purchase your entrance ticket at the entrance, or for a quick painless and gets you into the zoo hassle-free, you can purchase it online from their website. You can check the link from the description of this video. So, whether you're an animal lover or just want a chill day with the family, Manila Zoo's got the goods. Let me show you our day at Manila Zoo while giving you a quick tour. Make sure to stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details.
Why does bird stand on what? I think I've seen that.
Yeah, many times. I think that's a cockatoo. Look! What if Dan's gonna come close to you?
What?
Would you like to come
Bro,
close and
Mom.
feed him?
Mom, look at this beak.
They like again the
Mom, his beak looks so cool.
Yes, these are the animals that you can see here in Manila Zoo.
It's a lot. Bro, they look like rocks.
See, they're stepping in one
There's a tour.
Does he want to eat?
He wants to
Tignan mo yung nandun sa dulo, it's like slimy. Why did he cover himself? Right? So slimy. Why? Bakit itong isa slimy? Wow, so they also have some restaurants here and some play area for the kids.
Oh, you go play. You sit first. Hey, kid! Are you
Ito tayo, opo. Bili muna tayo ng palamig.
Lock mo lang.
And what is this? It's called banana key. Here. How was the hot dog? Ganda ng kagat ni Gwen. Bilog na bilog pa ang natin.
Unang kagat, tinapay lahat.
Tapos, may umuha ko ng
What the heck?
Dati mo ako eat.
Matatapon na yun, Charles.
Come on, boy. Like this, bro. What you are doing?
Cover.
Stop saying that word.
You hold it like this.
Really, it's irritating.
Oh, yeah, no. Hold it. Oh, no. Not like that. Yeah, no. Yeah. Tissue, please.
Edda. Mahangin naman ah. Hindi naman ito nang mainit. Hindi ba? Hindi ka ka?
When we have to go on the forehead.
It's for determining if they are married.
Mom, remember that?
Yeah.
Bought that big Ihal or ay, ayun pa the plate!
These are dead butterflies.
Let's look at the parts of a butterfly.
After we learn it, we cover it. Wings, head, process, thorax.
And this is the life cycle of a butterfly. First, it starts with cocoon.
Eggs.
Ay, name pala. Next,
Eggs, then
become larva or caterpillar. Then it goes to a cocoon.
cocoon.
And then it becomes
An adult butterfly.
this is beautiful. It's an art.
They're all
That's our forecast.
Hello there! So, minahanap akong
Bawal tapaan,
bigli.
damo.
Nahanap akong bigli to
slowly-
cover myself
Mom,
sa
slowly
init
let it become-
at pamaypay. Diba? Very natural.
It looks like you can sit in there. Wow, so pretty.
Uy, a wishing well. Mag-wish kayo, dali. Okay, may kawis.
Stick it.
Oh, may kawis daw. Oh, may kawis.
Hi, come. We would five.
Mom, it's
Daddy, Daddy has a lot of
Mom,
coins.
there's tadpoles.
Hi.
There's tadpoles.
No, those are fishes.
We see tadpoles.
that one's if you kill the
Oh,
fish, you get the wish.
I wish Ate Ashley will become the first owner.
I already have.
Sana.
Yeah.
Do you have to close your eyes while doing it?
Oh,
Okay.
Then,
Busy ko.
nothing happened.
Let's try this wish. Mag-wish ako ng something na hindi
If you kill the fish, then you get the wish from
ano. Hala, namatay na yung isda tuloy.
Exactly. God. What was that?
So you try
There's something fell.
Ano yung wish ko?
You wish you were rich. I have nice headphones. Like my headphones? I actually like my headphones.
Yes, so...
You guys done with your wish? Hey,
And then don't look.
Mama, let me guess your mom. Let me guess your wish.
Okay.
I wish to have a lot of money. Is that your wish? Yes.
I can't say. I can't tell
We
you.
couldn't tell our wishes, Kokoy.
Now let's go check the Manila Zoo souvenir shop.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did on this new adventure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and show your support by sending super thanks to help me create more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog.